Melissa and I planned on coming to Thailand towards the beginning of 2018, and we bought our tickets. And then about 2 weeks before we got here, we heard about the Songkran Water Festival, which is when Thailand celebrates New Year. But we said, hey, that'll be fun because during the Songkran Festival, you walk around and there's water fights everywhere and it's really fun. I read that in Ayutthaya, where we are, it's not only kind of a water fight, everybody's spraying water on each other type festival, but also there's elephants spraying water on you. I guess people from all over the world plan on coming here for the new year. And so we are going to go downtown to Ayutthaya and see what's going on.
We are trying to find a cab. There's a bunch of motorcycles here, but we don't really want to take a motorcycle and we can't get a cabbie. Of course. These kids are all ready to go. They've got their water guns. They've been spraying people as they pass by.
Okay, I'm not here to get wet.
Look at that. Oh, they're shooting us. You ready to get wet?
No, I didn't come here to get wet.
Just came here to observe. Even just the drive over was super fun as young kids and teenagers and grandmas and grandpas were just having a blast, drenching motorcyclists and cars and people in the back of trucks as they go by. So now we are going to head into the official party.
I can't really see what we're videoing because I'm in daylight. This is where we got dropped off. There's a T here. The party's down there. You can see elephants and people. Looks like here you can buy some water stuff and pails. So I think we're gonna stock up with water guns and then head towards the elephants and get sprayed by elephants.
You got your guns? You ready to go?
I have sunglasses in case.
The guy right there, he's coming right behind you.
You got your guns? Ah!
Okay, we got our weapons. Mason and Madeline are our only people that defend us. Do you guys need squirt guns or are you good? Okay, I am going to go, and you can't see on this video. This video is going to be the worst video ever. Maybe we won't be able to do it. But I'm going to go have the greatest thing that's ever happened to me happen. I'm going to get squirted by elephants. Are you serious? I'm going to get squirted by elephants?
were like, these were like deep fried noodles with a yummy sauce.
Lots of deep fried stuff.
Lots of deep fried. We are done eating and we're gonna go back in there and get wet again. Everybody here has this mud, and I don't know if you can see it. They come and put it on your face or on your shoulders or your legs. So Madeline wanted to do it, so we bought some for 20 baht. It's like 60 cents. Okay, and then mix it up.
Mix it up with your hands. Mom, do you want to use my squirt gun?
Oh, my bum is on fire. Oh,
Chris's bum is on fire.
it's like burning. The sun is so hot.
Okay. I want to put it on my face.
Well, that was wild. That was the best water fight we've ever experienced. That was amazing. Water fights with elephants? Who knew? Who knew you could even do that?
Oh yeah, I petted an elephant's trunk.
I know. It was amazing. Amazing experience. Happy New Year.
My dad saved this. We can keep on the way home. Yeah? I'm saving my water.
Hey, we're supposed to be getting a ride home, not fighting. What happened, Maya? How'd it break?
I think you can still use it because the water doesn't go in there. You can still use it.
What a tragedy. Look at this. Isn't this magnificent?
Dad's still walking.
Michael, I found an entrance. Look at this.
Oh, I made a target. Dang it, it's right.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Whoa. I know, Mom. That's what I just said.
That is cool.
Can we go in?
Yeah, go in there. No squirting the Buddha though.
I know. I feel like that's illegal.
There's stuff in there. There's incense burning, I can smell them. What is this over here? It's another temple ruins.
Is this the...
Look at that, isn't that magnificent? It's really beautiful.
I biked like 3 miles.
I would love to just go on a run here or bike ride. Wouldn't that be so fun? More ruins. Oh, it's just fantastic. So neat. We've got a tired, hungry, achy, sweaty baby girl with a headache. We're coming right from the water festival. This is a temple, and here in Thailand, there's a dress code at the temples. So Maya is wearing her swimsuit with some shorts over the top, and so she can't go in unless we buy her a little skirt or something.
There's a temple nearby that we wanted to see anyway while we were here in Ayutthaya. Actually, one of the main reasons we came. Wat Mahathat, something like that, or Wat Mahathat. The reason we want to see it is there's some pretty cool ruins, and then there's also the famous Buddha that's stuck in the tree roots. I'm pretty excited though. This is one of those things that I've really wanted to see for a long time.
This is the picture of the Prang and Stupa Kedi and the Buddha image how they create.
This reminds me of a foot that we saw just sitting on the side of the road in Amarillo, Texas. What is this?
I think they're remnants of different Buddhas.
It's
You
a
can see like the hand and the
Buddha
legs.
graveyard.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it said on the sign there used to be 14 big huge Buddhas here, and there's some leg remnants. Here's the tree. I think on the other side of this is where the Buddha is. Cool. There he is, sitting in the roots. It's crazy here. We're surrounded by ruins. All that cool stuff off in the background. This looks like a pyramid here, or an Aztec temple almost. Temples. It's so cool. This wall is surrounded by old ruins of Buddhas here. It's crazy cool.
Are they taking us?
Yes.
For how much?
All right.
I'm getting
Parents on the end. Right there.
I'm bringing you a banana.
Am I getting them?
Yeah. Yeah. We will get out of our clown car.
7 people.
6.
No, 7.
Oh, 7, yep, including the driver.
7 people